Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the simplest way to verify your Shopify store account with clear, step-by-step instructions. Verifying your Shopify store account is a crucial step in establishing a fully functional online business. It ensures your store is trustworthy, secures your payment gateways, and unlocks essential features for growth. Before you begin, make sure you have all necessary information handy, such as your business details, identity documents, and bank account information. To start the verification process, first log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the Settings menu located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, click on Payments to access your payment providers. Here, Shopify might prompt you with a notification to verify your account. Click the verification prompt to enter your business details accurately. This information typically includes your legal business name, business address, phone number, and tax information like the VAT ID or EIN depending on your region. Next, you will be required to submit identification documents. Shopify accepts government-issued IDs such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Take clear photos or scans of these documents and upload them through the verification interface. After submitting, Shopify will review your documents and information. This process usually takes a few hours up to a couple of days. While waiting, make sure your contact information is correct in case they need to reach out for additional details. Another important step is verifying your bank account to receive payouts. Enter your bank account details accurately in the payment settings. Shopify will often send a small test deposit to your bank to confirm ownership. Check your bank statement and enter the exact amount deposited into the verification field on Shopify. Once the verification is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification via email or directly in the Shopify dashboard. At this point, your store is officially verified and ready to fully accept payments, run advertisements, and grow your e-commerce presence. Always keep your business information up to date in case Shopify requests periodic confirmation. Following these simple yet vital steps will secure your Shopify account and ensure a smooth experience. If you encounter any issues during the process, Shopify's support center and community forums offer helpful resources and answers.